Transform your home workouts with the MQRW Push-Up Board Home Gym System. This all-in-one portable exercise kit is everything you need for effective full-body workouts anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to gym commutes and hello to convenience. Train smarter, stay consistent, and get results from the comfort of your home. This compact, versatile system is designed for maximum portability, making fitness possible wherever life takes you. What makes the MQRW system so powerful? It includes several key pieces of equipment designed for total body engagement. The push-up board is your foundation, featuring color-coded targets to isolate and train specific muscle groups like your chest, shoulders, triceps, and back. The included Pilates bar adds a layer of dynamic resistance, enhancing your stability, balance, and overall core strength, just like a reformer machine. For rock-solid abs, the ab roller wheel is essential. It provides an intense challenge to build a strong and defined core. Beyond the main equipment, the MQRW system includes a wide array of accessories to diversify your routine and keep your workouts fresh. You'll receive 20 fitness accessories, including multiple resistance bands, allowing you to easily adjust intensity and target every single muscle group. Whether you want to bulk up your arms, define your chest, sculpt your abs, or strengthen your legs, this versatile set has exercises for your entire body. The MQRW Push-Up Board Home Gym System is truly designed for everyone, regardless of your current fitness level. It's perfect for beginners looking for a structured start, and for seasoned fitness enthusiasts who need a powerful, portable supplement to their routine. Use this system to drastically improve strength, build lean muscle mass, and effectively tone your body for the results you want. The convenience of home training cannot be overstated, especially when you have equipment this capable. Get effective, full-body workouts designed by experts without the need for an expensive gym membership or bulky machines. With the MQRW system, you can train smarter, stay incredibly consistent, and achieve real, lasting results right from your living room. Ready to take control of your fitness journey? Don't wait to start building the body you've always wanted. Get your MQRW Push-Up Board Home Gym System today. Click the link in the description to order now and start your ultimate fitness journey from home.